5 scanned files, all named Scan 1, 2, 3. Not very helpful. This software here, RenameIQ, promises to fix that, offline, no uploads. I grabbed the free trial from the link, installed it in a few seconds, and dragged the files straight onto the window. Left the default pattern, date, separator, and check Use AI. Because is using an offline AI model for summarizing, the speed can vary depending on the content of the document. Now the preview loads instantly. Looks good, so I click Execute Rename. Done. You can use many patterns or even disable the AI model and prefixes and suffixes to multiple files and more customizing all offline. No cloud, no typing. If you want the same tidy folder, the trial link is in the description. 20 files free.